TikTok is one of the biggest apps in the world, with hundreds of millions of active users around the globe. With so many users creating exceptional videos, there's no question why users would be hooked on the app. TikTok makes it easy to show off your creativity with dozens of filters and effects, or to just watch the work of millions of users creating viral videos every single day. If you're new to the app and you're ready to learn the basics, you've come to the right guide. Start by downloading the app from either the App Store on iOS or the Play Store on Android, then launch the app on your phone. Follow the steps on screen to sign up for a new account, and you'll be ready to get started on TikTok. After you've logged in, the app will launch on the For You feed, one of the two featured tabs on TikTok's homepage. As a new user, the For You feed shows off some of the biggest recent videos on the app, but as you slowly get started, TikTok's algorithm will quickly learn your habits. The more videos you like and users you follow, the faster TikTok will be able to lock down exactly what you want to see. To scroll through videos in your feed, just swipe up from the bottom of the display. Videos on TikTok play on a loop by default, but you can pause or stop video playback by tapping on your screen. Looking at other tabs in the app, TikTok also provides users with a search function called Discover that lets you look through popular hashtags, search for users, scan TikTok barcodes, and much more. You can tap on any video to open playback and can continue swiping to load related videos to a specific trend. While watching a video, you can use the icons along the right side of the app to like, comment, or follow creators you like. Following creators will populate the following tab on the home screen, so make sure to follow anyone's content you love to always be updated on their new videos. TikTok has a few other options within the app, including an inbox tab that includes direct messages, notifications, and news from TikTok HQ. You can also view or edit your profile by tapping on the Me icon. When you're finally ready to create your own videos, tap on the plus icon to open the Create tab. At its core, creating on TikTok is as easy as tapping the red shutter button to start and stop recording. But as you might expect, there's a lot more to this tab than meets the eye. To get a full look at how to create videos on TikTok, check out our guide on getting started with videos in TikTok here. Until then, you can browse and view videos to your heart's content. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.